What's up, YouTubians? Gary of VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back to another day, another video. I've been wanting to say this for a while, but baby, we're back. Not 100%, but we are back on the SICKXTY, which is a 1960 Volksrod Baja Franken Beetle build. You can get caught up if you like. We've got a playlist with all kinds of goodies on what's been going on. Recap. It's a Franken Beetle because, well, that's what it's going to be. Baja because it's going to be a jacked up Volksrod with an extended front beam. Yep. Chassis is fully done. All of that's good to go. In the backyard, wrapped up, just waiting for this body. So on the body, we have had to do heater channels, rear quarters. We had to do front firewall, inner fenders, hood mount. There's more. I swear there's more. But today we got a couple little things to finish up and the interior's done. Wow. Okay, before I get too much more excited and psych myself out of doing it, let's dive in here and finish this up. First pass done. This side started kind of blowing away a little bit more, even though the hammer didn't get through it. It kind of decided it didn't really want to be all that thick and sound. So we'll go ahead and take care of that. Somehow I mismeasured and you got that extra little lap piece in there, but you know what? Honestly, this whole thing's going to be seam sealed back here because I stripped out all the seam seal to be able to go through and do all that. So if you look here, a lot of the old seam seal is still there. So we'll receive seam seal all of that back here in this corner. Pretty much go over everything again. So I just got a few little holes to fill, and then we'll move on to the next patch. Good enough for right now, not perfect. Again, it's going to be seam sealed, covered in insulation, the whole 9 yards. So now I want to go back and work on that back corner back there. Man, I tell you what, it's crazy the amount of sitting around, how much energy you lose. Unbelievable. So actually I think I'm going to take a break, then we'll tackle that back corner. Then later down the road, we'll build these little wings right here to bolt onto the chassis. I think after we do that back there, other than those two wings down there, I think we're pretty much squared away on the interior. Oh, I have that old fuel hole to fill. Easy peasy. All right, break time, then I'll get at it. it's pretty much squared away. Heck of a lot better than it was. Not perfect, but there we go. We got the inside straightened out. At least back here, minus the little flaps, whatever. I think we'll go ahead and fill that front little hole real quick. That way we can be done with the inside. Man, I've been waiting to say that for a long time. So let's tackle that and we'll call it done. Well, here we go. You got that all cleaned up. Again, a long while back when we did the new front firewall here, we'll be seam sealing all of that, so all that spot welded and ground down. But we'll seam seal everything real well. Back is done. All that is done. Man. So minus these little wing lips down here, I don't even know what we call them. Wing lips sound really cool. Besides that, inside the car is done. Yes! Finally! So there's that. Inside's done. Man, it's so nice to say that. Holy cow. So, next, if you notice right here, I kind of cut a little premature, right? So what I want to do is we're gonna, hold on. Really hard to do that one-handed. Holy cow. All right, so next project is I want to do a brace across to help push these out. Then we're gonna make a little filler piece for here. And then we're gonna make another filler piece that comes down and over. That way it helps tie all of this together. And that way too, when the hood's down, it gives us some weather protected area for the gas tank, storage, things of that nature. So of course we still have a few little holes to fill up in here. Still have the hood to do, which really isn't much. It's just this little bit here. And the holes to fill for the trim. Again, I got a buddy of mine that's gonna help me with that, because let me tell you what, this is really kind of kicking my rear some. You know, being out of the game, so to speak, for the last, how long now? I don't know, months and months. It's taken quite a bit for me to get my stamina and energy back. So, without further ado, guys, finally we're making progress. I appreciate you being here. Thanks so much. Make sure you check out all the friends links below. Check out all the different links, social media, blah, blah, blah. Till next time, guys, be good.